There are tons of things that are better when there's more of them. More holidays, more episodes of your favorite series, more time in bed. The list goes on and on and on. But for your spreadsheets...
Great practical joke, Jim. Got me go to the annex. No! God!
I don't think so. It might be case to case, but there will be instances wherein you don't want more than one instance of your data. Why is that? It could be because whenever you're using Excel manually, duplicate data can make it very confusing to follow, even when you've automated your worksheets or saved time and effort by getting a template from simplesheets.co, link in the description. Having duplicate values can cause errors in calculation or other grave Excel errors. Other times, you might want to remove duplicates or get the unique values because you want to create a dashboard or something like that from maybe an attendance sheet. In this video, we're going to be talking about different methods of identifying and removing duplicates from Excel. The first method isn't exactly rocket science, but it's there and it's easy. All we have to do is select the dataset that we want to remove the duplicates from. Then we head over to the Data tab. In the Data Tools group, look for this icon. This is the Remove Duplicates tool. Once you press on that, a dialog box pops up and asks you to specify the selection. You can select which columns you want to remove the duplicates from and specify if your dataset has headers. Once you're ready, click OK. It tells you how many duplicate values were found, removed, and how many unique values are left. This is great and all and really quick, but it removes the duplicate values without letting you know what they are. Say for example, you're a marketing professional. You might need to know your repeat customers, so you're purposely looking for duplicates. The second method allows you to highlight duplicates in Excel. It's also a ready-made tool that you can use right from the start. Select your dataset, and in the Home tab, in the Styles group, select Conditional Formatting. Click on Highlight Cell Rules and Duplicate Values. Select the color, and it should highlight all the duplicate values in the dataset. If you want to see the values with duplicates, we can simply apply a filter by clicking in our dataset, heading to the Home tab, Editing Group, Sort and Filter, and when the drop-down button appears, let's just go and select Filter by Color. And there you have it. This is a neat way of detecting duplicate values and is super useful, especially on data entry forms, because the colors just scream at you. The last method of identifying duplicates in Excel is using functions. Because we're using functions and not built-in tools, these methods can also be used in Google Sheets. The first formula allows you to remove duplicate values in the sense that it will only return the unique values, and that is the unique function. This is a spill function that when you type in equals unique and select the dataset, it will only return each of the values once. Just note that this is a spill function, so make sure that the cells underneath it are clear, so you don't get that pesky hash spill error. For more info on that, check out our spill error video linked down below. The second function is the COUNTIF function. To give a quick refresher, the COUNTIF function tallies the number of instances a reference value matches a value in a dataset. So in this example, we can create a column that we can call the count column and enter in the function. Type in equals COUNTIF and select the data range, making sure that it's an absolute reference because we'll be dragging this formula down. For the criteria, we're going to be selecting the cell that's beside it. And let's leave it as is. Hit enter and we can drag this formula down. It'll return a bunch of numbers. This number represents how many times this value appears in the dataset. So obviously, if the value is more than 1, it means it has a duplicate. For style points, we can add a new column and enter a formula to have it automatically tell us if there's a duplicate. Let's enter an if formula. Type in equals if the count column is greater than 1. If it's true, say duplicate. If not, enter nothing. Let's drag that down, and there you have it. That's a few quick ways to identify and remove duplicates from your spreadsheets. If you found this video useful, please do leave a like and some comments down below. And make sure you're subscribed to Simple Sheets for more Excel content. I'll see you guys on the next one.